Y'all can see I drug Eddie in on this one because it's a cocktail, but this is a mocktail. And I know not what I'm doing, y'all. But Teresa just informed me that mocktails have gotten very, very popular.
Very, very.
Because a lot of people are choosing not to drink. And I'm going to be honest with you, as I always have. Alcohol, I just never acquired a taste for alcohol. But the first time I had a margarita, boy, Heidi, I fell in love. I don't know if it was the salt. I don't know what it was. And I drank it so fast and I got so drunk. And I don't like the feeling of being drunk.
Well, for a margarita, actually, this would be my type of drink because, right, I really don't like margaritas. I'm not a big tequila person.
Oh,
so
my gosh. Well,
having the alcohol excluded is a good thing.
Well, I'm excited about this because if I could have what I'm thinking a margarita tastes like and not get drunk, that would be a bonus. All right, so Eddie, it said to pour.
Well, you need to rim the glasses first with the ice.
Oh, that's right.
With the
See, I told y'all I don't know what I'm doing. And I asked Eddie, I said, Eddie, would you just come in and help me with this one? He said, well, it doesn't have any alcohol in it. And I said, well.
Okay, so we're going to start with the passion fruit juice. 2 inches.
All right, so I'm rimming this glass with lime because that will make the salt stick to it.
And Eddie, what are you doing?
Okay, so we've got the lime juice and fresh orange.
This is not the best plate. Or either I just need to add more salt.
And what is this? Let's see, agave syrup.
Yes, what did I call that?
Something horrid. I can't even say it. I don't even remember how you said it.
I don't remember either. But this dish is really not big enough.
Yeah, let's get a bigger plate.
Yeah, it just don't work.
And just so y'all know, there's another fad that's out there, and some people watching may know it. There's a spice called tahini.
To who?
It's called tahini. Tahin. You could buy it in the grocery store. And a lot of people rim their margarita glasses now with tahini.
Wow.
So this recipe, because that's just a different flavor profile to go with.
Kari was telling us about that the last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she.
A lot.
And did she like it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So you can use tahini on this as well.
Wonder what it tastes like. You know what? These glasses don't.
It does. You see. I mean, you're good. That's good.
Yeah, you don't want too much, or it's going to be.
Am I drinking this or you?
You.
I like the salt.
All right.
Well, I'll just pour extra in yours.
I love these glasses. Belong to Teresa. She says she's had them a long, long time.
Ever and ever.
Yum. All right, so Eddie shook all those ingredients, and then we're going to top it with sparkling water. Whoa. It's like 3 ounces, right? So I think, how much is left in that can? That's very pretty.
And you could do this with so many different nectars. You could do peach nectar. You could do
Wait, we got the toast.
Smell.
Oh.
It's really fragrant. So.
It is fragrant.
Well, tell us if it's good.
Bon appetit. It's drinkable.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
I think it would be good with peach nectar, like a peach
That
nectar.
is real good, y'all.
It's not.
And
it's
look,
not
I could act
overly
like
sweet. So-
I could act like an adult, couldn't I? When it comes to cocktail.
It's good.
Somebody asked me, I think it was, who was it? May have been Steve Ducey was talking to me about am I going to have what kind of cocktail? I said, Steve, I'm not old enough to drink. But I could sure drink this.
Well, we just need a pool
Well, we got a pool.
and some shade.
Ain't got a lot of shade.
Shade.
We can let out the thing. You know, the cover
Mhm.
thing.
Canopy.
Yes, that too.
All right. Well, you
See, I already feel like I'm getting a buzz. Just the idea, y'all. Have a great day. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.